If you want to turn on vibration sound when you get a call on silent mode on iPhone, I just show you how to do that. You just need to open settings, scroll down and open sound and haptics. Now here you can see this option ringtone, just open that. You can select any ringtone, you can use customize also, it doesn't matter. So now the thing is swipe up, here you can see vibration just like that. Now if it selects to none, there is no vibration when you get a call. So you need to select any of these vibration sounds. You can select default or just select any of this, or you can also create a new vibration sound here. So it's completely your wish. You just need to select any vibration. I just select default. Now I just turn off the silent mode. Turn on the silent mode. Let's check that. It's on silent mode, but you can hear the vibration. That's it. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone, watch these videos.